Hi guys, now I show you how to secure your iDrone using the rubber band. Just to put your rubber band on the Bluetooth device in here, right? Hook like this and twist one crossover, and you can pass it through this USB charging port, right? And then use this finger and just do like this, and let me cross over one more time right here, right, backside. But remember, you can just put your wire down underneath your rubber band, and then do like that, so that you can completely hold your iDrone, including wire, right? Wrap up the wire, right? So that's it. So you can use another rubber band for just in case, but just the one rubber band would suffice. Okay, it's your turn. Thank you.